This is the brief on the frankly chaotic state of artificial intelligence in 2026. And this episode is brought to you by pressreleasecloud.io, your experts for content creation and multicast distribution. So the AI bubble, it just ballooned to a massive $2.52 trillion. But, don't let that huge number fool you. What's actually happening on the ground is a messy mix of brutal corporate shakeups and some truly bizarre cultural side effects. Okay, so first up, the corporate shakeout is huge. You've got Amazon cutting 16,000 jobs, all in the name of AI efficiency. Meanwhile, Oracle is looking at a potential crisis. We're talking nearly 30,000 roles on the line. And then, of course, there's Elon Musk, merging SpaceX right into his AI company xAI. Second, this chaos. It's not just happening inside these companies. The internet is getting weird. I mean, take Moltbook, a social media site supposedly built for AI bots. It turned out to be a giant scam. Like 99% of its 1.5 million users were totally fake. So now real people are fighting back against all this AI slop flooding our feeds. It's gotten so bad that actual AI psychosis support groups are popping up on Discord. And finally, let's talk about the physical risks, because they're real. We're seeing self-driving cars and even drones getting hijacked by nothing more than custom road signs. Plus, AI hallucinations are causing serious damage, with Google's AI making false accusations against legitimate businesses. So yeah, the money is enormous, but the industry is grappling with a mirage of false mastery, broken tools, and a society struggling to adapt to the fallout.